In this video, I'm going to show you one of the most powerful and completely free AI tools you can use in 2025 to generate unlimited videos automatically. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our free AI resources so you can also become a part of our growing community and be an AI legend. If you've been looking for an AI that turns your ideas, scripts, or even single sentences into full videos, this might be exactly what you need. The best part is it's free, easy to use, and works right in your browser, so there's nothing to download or install. AI video generators have changed the game for creators, businesses, and students who want professional videos fast. Most tools today have limits or paid plans, but this one lets you create unlimited videos for free. It's perfect for YouTube automation, educational explainers, and social media clips. Here's how to use it. Head over to Meta AI and sign into your account. On the left-hand panel, you'll see a section labeled Vibes, which is the newest feature of Meta AI for video generation. Type in your prompt and click on Generate. Within a few moments, Meta AI will create a complete video based on your description. Once you generate your video, you can customize it by adding background music, pacing, or adding subtitles. Meta AI also gives you access to a massive library of stock footage and AI-generated visuals, so you can create professional-looking videos without filming anything. For example, if your video is about the future of AI, just type your prompt and the tool will automatically generate visuals like robots, futuristic cities, or data effects. It's ideal for YouTube channels, TikTok explainers, and business presentations. You can create unlimited videos without export restrictions or hidden fees. Whether you're making tutorials, daily uploads, or video summaries, this AI tool delivers fast, high-quality results. For an even smoother workflow, use ChatGPT to write your script and suggest visuals, then paste them into Meta AI Vibes. You'll have a complete video production process using only free tools. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck, this could be your solution to finally break free from that cycle. AI voiceovers are one of the fastest growing ways to earn passive income, and they can truly change your life. And today's your lucky day because we've put together a complete step-by-step guide to help you get started. Just hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell, then check out the pinned comment down below to get your free guide on making money with AI voiceovers. So if you're ready to make unlimited AI videos at no cost, try Meta AI's Vibes feature yourself. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.